Welcome into today's video, guys. Got a lot of information, so get ready for this one. Okay, so crazy enough, Metamaterials had a pretty fantastic day. During the regular trading hours, we were up 8%, up to 85, almost 86 cents. After hours, we did go down about 2.3%, down to 84 cents even. But for me, the most exciting part about this whole day is look at that volume. That is something that we cover on this channel. Every time I do a video, I go over the volume. Average volume is 6,091,000, and we had 6,002,000. That's one of the first times we've had close to what the average volume is in a long while. We've been averaging like anywhere from 2 to 4 million, and today we pretty much broke even with volume. That's pretty amazing. If we take a peek over here at the heat map, and I'm going to disable the camera real quick. There we go. So you can see here the market was pretty red overall. A lot of the big cap stocks, large caps, were down. You will see a little bit of green there throughout the market in certain sectors. But overall, if you look at the index funds and things like that, they were all negative. Now we got to go over some serious stuff here, because this is what really took the market by storm and the market started going down after this news here. So the FedEx CEO says he expects the economy to enter a worldwide recession. Now we've talked about recession, but he's saying worldwide recession. Now we know FedEx, UPS, a lot of the trucking companies, the shipping companies, they are the ones going to tell you about the economy, what's people ordering, because they're delivering it. Like Walmart's a good one for that too. And here you got, here you can see the FedEx CEO says on Jim Cramer on Thursday, he believes a recession is impending a global economy. The CEO's pessimism came after FedEx missed estimates on revenue and earnings in its first quarter. The company also withdrew its full year guidance. Like, wow, FedEx withdrawing full year guidance. Look at this here. The shares of FedEx fell 15% in the after hours trading today, guys. Here you can see he's very disappointed in the results we just announced here. And you know, the headline rally is the macro situation we are facing. He said that on Jim Cramer's Mad Money. He also said we assumed the position earlier this year, said the weakening global shipment volumes drove FedEx disappointment's results, while the company anticipated demand to increase after factories shuttered in China due to the pandemic opened back up, and it fell, he said. So this is just kind of devastating news for the market overall. So what I find ironic is you get devastating news like this. And what usually happens to our stock when the market gets something bad like that, and you see a lot of those large caps getting devastated? Well, Metamaterial was up about 6% today if you take the after hours out of that. Now, that's pretty amazing. That is like devastating news for the market, and a lot of stocks are down huge because of that. You got to remember, these small cap stocks are already destroyed. There's no more sellers left in these stocks. The only way they're going down is the shorts coming and attacking them. Like I said, there's just no more sellers. Everyone's sold that's going to sell. There's only people, looking to buy in, average in positions right now. There's just really no sellers. But a little scary for tomorrow is the futures, and it's not looking pretty. S&P futures down almost 25 points. The Dow futures is down 142 points. The NASDAQ futures is down 98 points. The Russell is down 9.5 points. And crude oil has a small increase. Now, let's go take a look at MMTLP here. Basically, it was flat today, down 0.61%. Had a very low volume day. Average volume's 327,000 shares. We traded just shy of 160,000 shares. So, pretty low volume day, but laid pretty flat. I believe if you look at the chart on this, it kind of was slowly going up, took a huge dip right in the beginning, and just slowly creeped back up. So, interesting to see, too, that market got devastating news, and this is still hanging up there pretty good. Let's take a look at the prices right now. WTI crude, let's refresh that. $85.19 as we just refreshed that. A lot of green here going on. So oil and natural gas did take a big hit today. But now they are pretty much getting some of those gains back. So WTI crude 85.19, Brent crude at $91, and natural gas took a big hit today and is down to $8 and basically 30 cents, $8.29. This was over $9 in yesterday's video and down to basically $8.30. So natural gas took a huge hit. But with that kind of headline news that we got here from FedEx, it's going to be an interesting market the next few days, to say the least, especially tomorrow. Let's go take a look over here at the Fintel. Days to cover is at 7.27 days. Short interest at 9.3%. Go down here and take a look. Only 15,000 shares is available. So at this leading prime brokerage, there's really nothing left. Like I said, we were green today, very, very green, and there's no shares left to borrow or lend out or short from this brokerage. Short borrow fee is setting at 10.55% going into tomorrow. Short volume ratio from the FINRA is 45.67, actually pretty low, because usually we're always in the 50s or 60s. If we see something, isn't that crazy? You see a short volume at like 45%, man, that's kind of low because we're used to 50s and 60s. So that's very interesting that we look at it that way nowadays. At least I do. Aggregate short volume ratio 48.89, pretty much close to what it has been for that. All right. Has been a couple things here by Mr. George. Has this video out here. Let's go take a listen to this video that George from MetaMaterials put out and see what they got to say here. It's all about the AR fusion technology.
Is developing a one-stop shop for optical combiners for AR development. Meta is a developer of high-performance functional materials and intelligent surfaces that are scalable, sustainable, and efficient. From the raw materials to the finished product, Meta is developing a one-stop shop for optical combiners for AR eyewear. Meta's AR Fusion platform brings together the two critical elements to embedded smart technology within a lightweight and prescription-capable cast lens. AR Fusion combiners enable smart glasses that are comfortable, affordable, and fashionable. Learn more at metamaterial.com.
That is a pretty cool little promo video.
Meta is a developer of high-performance functional materials and intelligent surface.
There we go. So that's a pretty cool promo video. As you see, they do, which is exciting for me, prescription glasses, smart glasses. That's prescription. Hello, George. Can you hook your boy up with some prescription smart glasses? And I would love to give a review here on the channel for these prescription smart glasses. That would be amazing. So yeah, maybe we'll try to put out a tweet to George on that. George also here did a post about this event. This Bay Area event was moved very short because of the CTO, unfortunately, got exposed by COVID. So they had to change the date. You know, basically that sums it up. Hashtag life happens. They'll get it done. All right, and I wanted to share this chart here. We share this guy's charts. He has really good charts. That's Michael Kramer. So I want to say thank you to Michael for making these charts out. He posted this yesterday, and I forgot to put it in the video because we were getting all excited about MMTLP, which I'm very excited about it. I'm going to actually... Oh, perfect. We can see everything. Okay, so this is a chart from the VIX of 2022 through the VIX of 2008, which the VIX is ticker symbol UVXY. I know people was making comments about saying I'm going to buy the VIX. Okay, it's UVXY. That's what I meant. But yeah, that's what I'm looking to do. Buy this UVXY because if you look at this chart from 2022 to 2008, it's following very similar trade patterns. Does that mean it's going to have this huge spike as it shows in this chart? No, it does not mean that. But I think the VIX is around like 10.50 right now. Well, UVXY is around $10.50. So there is potential of it going down, but I think there's a potential, as you see, of it going up from looking at this chart. If you think this chart looks very similar as to this chart, as you see right there, as he posted, yeah, I'm looking pretty excited for the VIX. All right. Last thing I wanted to share out here, Allie did a video and someone shared this on StockTwits and I seen it. And Allie has a beautiful little chart here he put up. And I wanted just to touch base on this. So July 15th, the S1 was submitted. And September 5th, the S1A submitted with amendments. Here you can see potential dates here. September 16th, S1A approved. That is tomorrow. So Will this little prediction here by Ali come true? Fingers crossed, Ali. It'd be great to get it on a Friday. Let's go. Then that would possibly put the September 28th as the new ex-dividend date, and maybe the 29th as the record date. And here you can see, using the T+2 settlement of stocks, last day to buy MMTLP would be September 27th, which, as you know, there is a potential run-up in MMTLP possibly between the 19th through the 27th of September with the shorts covering. So, yeah, that is pretty exciting stuff. Like I was putting in yesterday's video, once this gets approved and that press release come out, the rats are going to be scurrying and time is ticking. Time is ticking away. That's right, guys. And I'm just probably looking to, like I said, I got cash ready. If this would go down in any significant way, I'm ready to buy it up. Like I said, I don't think the games are over. MMTLP has been on a small little trajectory up, and it would not surprise me if these market makers and hedge funds try to drive it down and scare investors out of their shares. And I'm going to be ready to buy them up if they do that during this, 2-week window or whatever, how many days we get to potentially buy more from that. So I'm personally going to have cash on the side, ready for any mind games that these shorts want to throw at us because they want to drop the price. I'm going to be ready to buy more. If it keeps going up, I'm okay holding with what I got. So hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. I'll catch y'all next video, guys. Peace.